Hi guys, Diane Hogarth here. What is affiliate marketing and how can I get that elusive 1,000 or 10,000 a month? I've got this free affiliate marketing course that I've just put together. I just want to show you all about it. While I'm looking for the screen share, I would like to point out to you that I would love you to subscribe, hit the notifications button and comment on this video because I've done this especially for you. So day one, this is a 4 video series and it's the exact business model that takes you to your first 1,000, then up to your 10,000 a month. The secrets are inside the videos. So I just want to show you what it is. Day one is what is affiliate marketing exactly and where to find the products. Okay, there are screenshots that you can actually get with this method, and if you notice this one here, I am on number 6 and John Armstrong's there on a Warrior Plus launch. So that's why you need to listen to me, guys. Day 2, that's day 3. Day 2 is what is the sales process exactly? Everybody says talk to everybody, find out the pain, blah, 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 but this will actually draw them to you. Okay, this is going to draw them to you. This is the secret that the gurus do not want you to find out. Okay, so day 3 is this one, the exact process, the tools that you need. There are only 2, but I only use 1 because I'm clever. Day 4 is traffic. So you find out where to find the products and what exactly is affiliate marketing anyway. It's for beginners, it's for advanced people. You'll know some of this already, but there's 2 things inside there that I can guarantee that you didn't know. I mean, which video you're going to watch them all to find out. So where to find products, the exact sales process that will get you the results that you need. And I'm guaranteeing this, okay? Day 3 is tools. The exact tools that you need. As you know, I only use 1, not 2, because I'm clever. And there's tips on traffic, because you can build a whole sales funnel, and if you don't get the people on the email list to actually sell to, you're dead in the water. So this is hot off the press, guys. This was only done yesterday, but I got inspired to do this for you because I want to help you make money online, and it's free. So I'm putting this free online marketing 4 video series together. I'll put it for you and the link is below. Also, if you want to join my Facebook group, that is in the description too. And I'd love it if you connected with me on Facebook, because that's where I live. See you on the next video, guys. Bye. And